Hello everybody. Hi guys, how are you all? And welcome back after a long time. So guys, I was feeling so different, like I'm not on YouTube since like almost a week, and that is a great span. So guys, welcome all of you. How are you all doing? Welcome to the Nabamita and Mizda session by Vedantu Young Wonders. Seeing you all after a really long time. And obviously we met on Sunday for V Pathshala, but then in V Pathshala I am someone else. I am not your Dhamakidar Paratidar. I am a teacher in V Pathshala. So V Pathshala you meet a different Pritesh sir, and here you're meeting a different Pritesh sir. So welcome to the session guys, and finally we begin with the final Pariksha, that is the revision series. So finally all your requests that when are the revision series starting and when I'm going to teach this chapter, and sir my exam is coming up and sir do something, ye chapter nahi samajh mein aaya, etc etc. So finally we have heard you, and finally the final Pariksha series are here. So welcome to the session guys. Now let me tell you what is going to be the pattern of this Pariksha series. So the pattern is going to be that number one, we are going to revise two chapters in one video. So two chapters, that is nutrition in plants and nutrition in animals, two chapters in one video. How are we going to revise? So the revision is divided into two parts. Number one part is when we'll be revising all the important concepts of that chapter. Then there will be a Menti, then there will be again a revision of all the important terms, and then the Menti will continue. The same Menti will continue in two parts. Part 1 will be on the important concepts, part 2 will be on the important terms. So first I begin with all the important concepts, then I'll conduct a Menti, then I will again come back to the slides, do all the important terms, and then again the Menti. Okay? Now, what is the best thing about this final Pariksha series? The best thing about the Pariksha series is that the winner of the Menti will be doing, I will be conducting a quiz with the winner of the Menti, and that will be on Vedantu Young Wonders. So the winner of the Menti gets to do a quiz of hot questions, that is high order thinking skills, difficult level questions of these two chapters. I will be conducting the quiz with that student, and that will be on Vedantu Young Wonders. It will be on the channel, right? So two requests. Number one is make sure that you are well versed with the topics. Make sure you watch the entire video till the end. Number two, that you have to put your exact name in the Menti. No putting, winner of Menti, or no putting like I am the best, or no putting like love you Pritesh sir, or no putting like I am a fan of Pritesh sir. No. Putting your exact first name and last name, Pritesh Joshi. That's it. Because the winner of the Menti will have to connect with me on Instagram, and they will have to produce their ID card. Suppose if I am Pritesh Joshi and I have won the Menti, I will contact Pritesh sir on Pritesh_Vedantu Instagram handle. I will follow him on Instagram. I'll message him. Hi sir, I won today's Menti. Here is a screenshot of the Menti meter. You have to send me a screenshot of the Menti meter. When you play the Menti and you win the Menti, you get a notification. Congratulations, you have won the Menti. Right? That screenshot along with your ID proof. That sir, see, I am Pritesh Joshi. This is my I card. This is my school I card. This is my Aadhaar card. Anything. And then I will connect with that student, and I will be conducting a quiz with that student. Got it? If you have not understood, please rewind and watch whatever I have spoken now. Okay? So all set, and let us do the first ever session of the final Pariksha revision series 2021 for the upcoming final exams. The topics from grade 7, nutrition in plants and nutrition in animals. Two very important topics, right? So let's begin. So guys, then you know that you have to connect with me on Instagram. You have to follow me on Instagram, and here is a beautiful video which I want to show you all. So here is a video that tomorrow on the 16th of January at 3 p.m. there is a live on Vedantu grade 9 and 10 YouTube channel. There is going to be the finale of Vedantu's Got Talent. So tomorrow at 3 p.m. there is going to be the finale of Vedantu's Got Talent at 3 p.m. and we have got an actor who will be coming for this event. So make sure that you watch it and you don't miss it, right? Also guys, thank you for making Vedantu Young Wonders a family of 4 lakh. But our aim is hashtag golden button by 2021. Here is the logo of the channel. Here is the logo of the channel. Click on the logo and subscribe. It's absolutely free. YouTube is the only platform where you get everything for free, watching for free, subscribing for free, learning for free, right? So subscribe to the channel. Right here is the logo of the channel and that is the subscribe button. So subscribe to the channel, right? So guys, subscription is absolutely free, and if you want to learn with me, one-on-one, this is a great opportunity that you can take the Vedantu Pro Lite subscription, and I have got a very great news for you. And the news is that Vedantu Pro Lite subscription gives you live quizzes, live classes, replays, downloadable content, handwritten notes of teachers, assignments, doubt solving, 5,000 plus micro courses, crash courses. The more classes you take, the lesser the price you pay, and the bumper surprise is this. So guys, only on the 14th, 15th, 16th and 17th of Jan, you're getting a flat 50% off. A flat 50% off if you use my code PRPRO. So use my code PRPRO and get a flat 50% off, which means you are just paying rupees 1349 for 1 month. So if you take the pro subscription, for 1 month, you just have to pay rupees 1349. Earlier the cost was 2159. Now it has further slashed down to rupees 1349 for 1 month if you use the code PRPRO. So there is a link given in the description from where you can buy the pro subscription. Pro subscription is live class with me every day live classes, plus you get along with that you get assignments, tests, study material, my own handwritten notes, and not only science, you get English, math, science, social studies, all 4 subjects live classes. All you have to do is go on the link and use the discount code PRPRO. So use this code and start learning. You just pay rupees 1359 for 1 month, but if you take it for 3 months, the earlier cost was 5599, but it has slashed down to 2333 for 3 months. That is till March 2021. So till your final exams, till the 31st of March 2021, you just pay rupees 2333. So this is also a great deal, right? So guys, all you have to do is use the code PRPRO. You're just paying rupees 5 per class. मतलब इससे सस्ता क्या दें, अब क्या फ्री में दे दें? मतलब वड़ा पाव भी नहीं आता 5 रुपए में, and 8 rupees में भी वड़ा पाव नहीं आता, right? So guys, it's a great deal. मतलब lesser than packet of Lays, I would say that it is lesser than a vada pav, right? Lesser than a vada pav also. ठीक है? So चलो guys, use the code PRPRO. ठीक है? And yeah, so doubt solving. So Swarit, there is going to be a live doubt solving in the class. The doubts will be solved live in the class. And guys, follow me on Instagram at Pritesh_Vedantu. We are just shy of 1000. I have not seen the exact number now. Let me see. So the exact number of followers is 870. Guys, सिर्फ 130 more यार. Follow कर लो Instagram पे, free है. This is also free. Just 130 left for 1000. Can we do it tonight? Can we do hashtag 1000 followers on Instagram? Come on, quickly follow me at Pritesh_Vedantu and let us make there also a family of 1000. Now, let us start revising. I'll just switch on the fan because it's gonna be a long session and it's gonna be a little hot. So, starting with nutrition in plants and nutrition in animals. Chalo. Pin drop silence in the class. Only complete attention on the board. Okay? Let's begin. Now, autotropic. The word auto means self. The word tropism means nourishment. The ones who nourish themselves are called autotrophs by the process of photosynthesis. What do you need for photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide which you get from air, water which you get from roots, and sunlight which is trapped by chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is present in the chloroplast. And what is the function of the chlorophyll? 100% guaranteed question. What is the function of the chlorophyll? To trap sunlight, right? That is autotrophic nutrition. All the green plants carry out the process of photosynthesis in which they use carbon dioxide, water and sunlight with chlorophyll to prepare carbohydrates, oxygen, water and energy. Okay? Heterotrophic nutrition. Heteros means others. Tropism means nourishment. Those who depend on others for nutrition are heterotrophs. Then heterotrophic nutrition in plants is seen by parasite, saprophytes, insectivorous and symbiotic relationship. Parasite, those who feed on insects. No, those who feed on the host. Those who feed on the host. Those who feed on host are parasites. Example, Cascata. Cascata or Amarbel or Dodder. Saprophytic, those who feed on dead and decaying. Dead and decaying. Example of saprophytes, mushroom. And insectivorous, those who feed on insects. Example, Venus flytrap and pitcher plant. Right? Then symbiotic, where both help each other. You help me, I help you. Both help each other. Example, lichens and legumes. Lichen is a symbiosis of algae plus fungi, where algae gives food, fungi gives shelter. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Quickly take a screenshot. Quickly take a screenshot. Welcome, Shawly John. Quickly take a screenshot. Quickly take a screenshot. Just let me know. Taken. Very good, Gauri Sharma. Very good, Gauri Sharma. Lichen. Richa, lichen is a symbiosis of algae and fungi, where algae provides food because algae is green. It can do photosynthesis. It can do photosynthesis and it can give food to the fungi. Fungi in return will give shelter to the lichen. Lichen is the same symbiosis from where you can make litmus. From where you can make the litmus solution. Got it? Got it? Got it? Chalo. Very good. Any doubts in this? Any doubts in this? If screen is blurred, please refresh. Please refresh. Yes, Kapil, what is your doubt? Come on. Quick. Notes will be available. Notes will be available. Okay? Parasite will not kill the host, because if the parasite kills the host, how will the parasite eat? Parasite is basically taking the nutrition which the host is taking from different parts. Suppose a mosquito. A mosquito will never bite a dead body. Mosquito will always bite a alive organism. Why? Because blood is running. Blood is running through the veins. Mosquito will feed on the blood. So if mosquito feeds on the blood, it means the body should be alive, right? Similarly, Cascata is a parasite. It will feed on living tree. Okay? Okay. Symbiosis. Symbiosis, which means both the organisms help each other. You help me, I help you. I have wheat, you have rice. I'll give you wheat, you give me rice. Similarly, symbiosis in lichens. Lichen is a symbiosis of algae and fungi. Algae helps fungi, fungi helps algae. They both live happily together. I help you, you help me. Okay? Chalo. With that, let us move ahead on the next slide. Autotrophs, I have already explained it to you. The process by which green plants prepare their own food is called photosynthesis. Green plants make complex organic food substance, that is sugar and oxygen. Green plants make all the nutrients that are needed by using carbon dioxide, water, minerals with the help of chlorophyll and the energy from sunlight. That is photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide enters through the stomata. Carbon dioxide enters through the stomata. Legumes. What are legumes? Legumes examples is peas, groundnut, right? What do? Beans, they are legumes. Legumes have rhizobium and azotobacter in their roots. Okay? So a leguminous plant, for example a pea plant. Consider a pea plant. This is a pea plant. Its roots will have nodules. Inside that nodules, there will be nitrogen fixing bacteria. Right? This nitrogen fixing bacteria, example rhizobium. What will it do? It will give nitrogen to the plant. And in return it will take food from the plant. So again, the bacteria is helping the plant is helping the bacteria. Both are helping each other. That is why it is symbiosis. Okay? Chalo. Now, talking about nutrition in animals. Pin drop silence in the class. Super important concept. Pin drop silence in the class. What is nutrition? Process by which living organisms take in food or make it into simple absorbable form by a series of biochemical processes. Okay? What is nutrition? Taking in nutrients. Okay? Now, human digestive system. Please pay attention. It has got mouth. Mouth has tongue and the teeth. Which teeth? Incisors, canines, premolars, molars. Correct? 4 different types of teeth. Heterodont. What do you mean by heterodont? All the teeth are different. You have got incisors, canines, premolars, molars. Correct? Total 32. 16 up, 16 down. 16 upper jaw, 16 lower jaw. Tongue, muscular organ. Tongue has got taste buds. How many? 4. Sweet, salty, bitter, sour. 4 taste buds. Correct? Then comes the esophagus. So that is the mouth. Mouth is the first part where the food comes in contact. What happens in the mouth? In the mouth, there are 3 pairs of salivary glands. 3 pairs of salivary glands. They will secrete saliva. Saliva, what is the function of the saliva? It will moisten the food. The teeth will grind the food, tear the food, break the food. Saliva will moisten it and it will go down through the esophagus. Esophagus is also called as the food pipe. From the esophagus, it will go into the stomach. Stomach is a J-shaped organ. Inside the stomach, you have got enzymes. HCl is one of them. HCl maintains the acidic level of the stomach. It will kill all the germs and activate the digestive enzymes. From the stomach, the food will go into the small intestine. Small intestine is the site for complete digestion. Complete digestion is small intestine. All the food will get digested with the help of liver and pancreas. Liver will secrete bile. Liver will produce bile, secrete it and store it in the gallbladder. Gallbladder will give the bile to the small intestine whenever required. Right? Pancreas will help to digest the protein and the carbohydrates. Entire small intestine is the site for complete digestion. Digestion will complete in the small intestine. In the lower section of the small intestine, you have got villi. What are villi? Finger-like projections. They will absorb the nutrients from the digested food, and whatever is left is undigested food sent into the large intestine. Large intestine is the site for absorption of water and minerals. So finally, from the undigested food, whatever extra water is there, that will get absorbed, and finally it will be sent to the rectum. Rectum will store this undigested food. Next day morning, washroom, Food is out. Undigested food in the form of feces is out of the body. Right? Again, mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, complete digestion, large intestine, rectum, anus, flush. Done. Okay? Processes ingestion is taking in of food. Digestion is breaking it into simpler substances. Absorption is taking in of the nutrients. Assimilation is Amazon delivery. Assimilation is Amazon delivery. Giving the food in the perfect places. Calcium, bones and teeth. Vitamin A, eye. Vitamin D, bones. Vitamin E, hair. So vitamin K, blood. Whatever is absorbing, delivering it at the perfect place is assimilation. So I tell assimilation is Amazon delivery. Delivering the perfect nutrient in the perfect place in the body. That is assimilation. And at the end we have egestion. Egestion is removal, excretion. Okay? So digestion, absorption, alimentary canal. What is alimentary canal? All of these together are called as the alimentary canal. Amoeba. What does amoeba do? What does amoeba do? Amoeba will hug. Amoeba will hug the food particle and create a food vacuole. This food vacuole will release enzymes and digest the food. Amoeba will take it in the body. Then through the contractile vacuole, it will excrete. Whatever is left, it will excrete. Okay? So there are two vacuoles in amoeba, food vacuole and contractile vacuole. Then grass-eating animals. So they have a more complex digestive tract because they have to digest cellulose. And there the part of the stomach is called rumen. Okay? So they will take the food, partially chew it, send it to the rumen, cellulose will break down, again bring it back, then it is called cud. They will then finally chew the cud, then send it to the stomach and finally digest. Okay? Chalo. This is the human digestive system. Buccal cavity is the mouth consisting of tongue and the teeth. Salivary glands 3 in number. Esophagus, stomach, small intestine, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, large intestine, rectum and anus. So these are all the... How does amoeba... So pseudopodia, Dhanmin, pseudopodia are the false feet. With the help of false feet it will go. Phagocytosis is the movement. So basically my movement is called locomotion and I have legs. So legs are pseudopodia, locomotion is phagocytosis. Phagocytosis is also seen in WBCs. Okay? Rhizobium is the nitrogen fixing bacteria which fixes the atmospheric nitrogen and converts it to nitrites and gives it to the plant. Chalo. Time to go back to the first Menti. Just go to www.menti.com and use the code 5601632. 5601632 and quickly follow me on Instagram. Just 133 left. Quickly follow me on Instagram at Ritesh_Vedantu and go to Menti. Come on. So Sumiti, you're not going anywhere. It is not the wrong code. It cannot be the wrong code. Not possible. 5601. It is wrong. Right? The code is 5601362. 5601362. 5601362. 5601362. Wait, I'm putting it in the chat. 5601362. 5601362. Function of the liver. Liver has more than 200 functions. First of all, for digestion, liver will secrete bile. Bile is an enzyme which helps in emulsification of fats, which means it helps in the breakdown of fats to convert fats to fatty acids and glycerol. Okay? Bile will secrete liver will secrete bile and it will store it in the gallbladder. whenever small intestine demands it, it will help it by giving it. ठीक है हर्ष? Yes, notes will be put in the description of the session. ठीक है? 5601 चलो, hi Astha, hello Arshia. Arpit, chalo, I want all of you to join this. Guys, it's very important. It's very important for all of you to attend this final pariksha. ठीक है? Hi Kanasu June. Hello Sanskriti. Bulbul, the code is 5601 Hi Devapriya. Hello, welcome to Vedantu Young Wonders. We are so glad to have you as a part of the family. Namaskar, Shruti. Chalo. 5601 Come on, I want at least 250 members only, then I'm starting. Chalo, quick, very quick. If you don't want to miss out on the updates, join Instagram and follow me on Insta. Chalo. Come on, guys. 5601 Come on. Come on guys, come on. 5601 Chalo, very good. Let us start the Menti. So guys, 4 questions we will do now and then we will go back to the session. ठीक है? Very good Manu Pratap Singh. I hope you are enjoying. ठीक है? चलो. Amarbale or Cascata. It is an example of Amarbale or Cascata or daughter. It's an example of autotroph, parasite, heterotroph or host. Come on. Very good. More than 200 students are absolutely correct that it is parasite. So Cascata, daughter, Amarbale is an example of parasite. ठीक है? Hi Sanskriti, I already took your name. Moving to the leaderboard, we have got please ray diagrams, definitely Legend, Bhuv Yadav on Insta, Mokshika, okay, Saksham, Dhanveen, Homer, Arpit, Ashley, Cake, Vaibhav. Guys, if you want to do a live quiz with me on this chapter, please put your full name in the quiz. Don't put any pseudo names. Please put your full names. Right? Chalo. Hi Yukti. Let us move on to the second question. Second question coming on your screen. The plant which feeds on insects is called. The plants which feeds on insects is called. Come on. Very good. Amazingly awesome guys. Very good. So Cascata, Cucata लिखा है वो तो गलत है. Cascata is an example of insectivorous. Rose is a normal autotrophic plant. Sunflower is also autotrophic. Pitcher plant is an insectivorous plant. Pitcher plant and Venus flytrap are insectivorous plants. Right? With that we move on further to the leaderboard. And on the leaderboard we have got Bhuv, ray diagram, Maria, Dhanveen, Ashley, Priyesha, Ayushman, Happy Sharma, Jaival Mehta and Maulik Goyal. Now Maria, I got your mail, Maria dearest. I'm so sorry I couldn't reply to it. The reason being is that that was based on Saturday's Menti. That was based on only Saturday's Menti. Sunday Menti, no talk show. ठीक है? Bhuv Yadav, that is Mokshika Yadav on Instagram. चलो, very good. Let us move on to the third question. Third question coming on your screen now. Hi Keshri, hello. The trapped insect gets entangled in the hair in, where does insect get trapped? In green plants, insectivorous plants, grass, or none of these? Come on. Come on. Hi Supriya. Hello, hi Astha. Yes, PDF will be given, don't worry. But make sure you attend guys. PDF तो आपके textbook भी तो available है फिर. Textbook और इसमें क्या फर्क पड़ता है? तो आपको क्लास अटेंड करना है ना. क्लास अटेंड करोगे तो सीखोगे. PDF तो आपके पास फिर टेक्स्ट बुक भी है ना? चलो. So guys, very good. 300 of you are correct. It is insectivorous plants like Venus flytrap and pitcher plant. Bhuv, Maria, Dhanvin, Ray Diagram, Ayushman, Ashley, Jaival, Maulik, Vaibhav and Ishan. ठीक है? I think Maria, you are the fastest. Congratulations, leading the leaderboard with 12 points, which brings me to the fantastic fourth question coming on your screen now. ठीक है? चलो. Which of the following is not a part of digestive system? Mouth cavity, stomach, food pipe or windpipe. Which is not a part of the digestive system? What is not a part of the digestive system? What is not a part of the digestive system? Very good. Last 3 seconds. 2, 1, go. Chalo. Very good. Guys, mouth cavity, buccal cavity, stomach, food pipe, esophagus. Windpipe is a part of the respiratory system. And on the leaderboard, we have got Maria, Ray Diagrams, Ayushman, Maulik, Vaibhav, Jaival, okay, Kajal Vyas Joshi, Asmita, Happy Sharma and Pratham. That's amazingly awesome. Great, super. Chalo. So guys, let's go now and keep calm and let's learn more. So now guys, time to pause Menti, time to go back to the slides and learn more. Okay, we'll again come back to the slides after doing this. Quickly revising all the important terms from nutrition in plants and nutrition in animals. Okay? Chalo. Revising all the concepts. Please pay attention. Very, very important. I'm not going to write anything. I'm only going to speak. So please pay attention. Autotrophic, the ones who make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Example, all the green plants. Host, the one on which the parasite feeds. Nutrition, process of absorbing nutrients or breaking down food to absorb nutrients. Absorption, that is taking in of the nutrients from the food. Example, villi and microvilli in the small intestine. Canines, type of teeth present in human beings which help to tear the food. Long in carnivores. Example, lion, tiger. Ingestion, process of taking in of food. Pancreas, glands present in the body, a part of the digestive system which help to digest carbohydrate, protein and fat. Chlorophyll, the pigment which gives green color to the plants, traps sunlight. Insectivorous, heterotrophic plants which feed on insects. Example, pitcher plant and Venus flytrap. Parasite, the one who absorbs or derives nutrition from the host plant. Example, amarvel or kaskata or dodder. Amino acids, proteins are broken down into amino acids. Cellulose, the type of carbohydrate which is present in plants. Liver, largest gland of the body which secretes bile which helps in digestion of fats. Premolars, type of teeth present in human beings which help in the grinding and crushing of food. Heterotrophic, The organisms, the type of nutrition in which organisms are dependent on other organisms for nutrition. Nutrient, the derivatives which help us to get energy. Example, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, roughage and water. Photosynthesis, the biogeochemical process in which plants use carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll to make carbohydrates, oxygen, water and energy. Assimilation, Amazon delivery, the proper, you can say the proper utilization of nutrients in the body. Food vacuum, present in amoeba, in which the amoeba secretes enzyme and digests the food particle. Amoeba, unicellular aquatic organism, microorganism. Fatty acids, fats are broken down into fatty acids and glycerol. Milk teeth, present in child till the age of 6 or 7. Temporary teeth, pseudopodia, false feet of the amoeba. Molar, type of teeth present in human beings which help in crushing and grinding of teeth, crushing and grinding of food, just like premolars. Permanent teeth, the teeth which arise in a person after the age of 10 till lifetime. Rumination, the act of chewing food the second time seen in grass-eating animals. Then salivary glands, 3 pairs present in human beings secrete saliva. Saliva is an enzyme which helps in the digestion of carbohydrates and breakdown of sugars and helps to moisten the food. Esophagus, food pipe almost 20 cm in length, starts from the mouth, ends in the stomach. Gallbladder, stores the bile secreted by the liver. Bile, the enzyme which helps to digest the fats. Incisors, the front 4 teeth present in the upper jaw and lower jaw helps to hold and bite the food. Buccal cavity, the teeth and the tongue make the buccal cavity. Saprotrophs, organisms that feed on dead and decaying, example fungi, example mushroom. Stomata, the special pores present on the surface of the leaf to exchange gases. Saprotrophic mode of nutrition where organisms feed on the dead and decay. Got it? Any term which is left? Any doubt in any term, quickly tell me in the chat. Any doubt in any term, quickly tell me in the chat. Come on, quick. Hi Prema, why will I ignore you? Chalo, jaldi. Any doubt in amino acids? Proteins are broken down into amino acids. There are 2 types of amino acids, that is essential and non-essential. Okay? Yes, it's a legume. Middle teeth, temporary teeth. Buccal cavity, teeth and the tongue. Gallbladder, it is the organ which stores the bile juice produced by the liver. Okay? HCl, hydrochloric acid, produced by the oxyntic cells of the stomach. Parasites which feed on the host. Pancreas are the organ that digest carbohydrates, fats and proteins, all 3. Okay? Food vacuole is in amoeba which is created when amoeba takes in a food particle and the food vacuole secretes digestive enzymes to digest the food. Okay? Chalo. Villi are the finger-like structures present in the small intestine. Chalo. Let us go back to the Menti. Grass-eating animals are called ruminants. Let us go back to the Menti now. है ना? Chalo. Let us go back to the Menti. Question number 5, fantastic 5 question coming on your screen now. Come on. The largest gland in the body, I told while explaining the terms. Largest gland in the body, I told while explaining the terms. Come on, quick, very quick. Come on. The code is 5601362. ठीक है? चलो, very good. only 190 students are correct. That is not a very good thing. चलो रे डायग्राम्स वैभव आयुष्मान प्रथम मारिया मौलिक जयवंत काजल हैप्पी एंड ईशान ठीक है that's absolutely awesome ray diagrams is the fastest now ray diagrams let me tell you if you win the quiz I won't be able to help you out in any way because your name is such that I don't know if I want to do a quiz with you how will I do it saprotropic fungi are the ones that feed on dead and decaying example mushroom ठीक है चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 करें इसको फिक्स the components of food absorbed in large what gets absorbed in the large intestine carbohydrates protein fats or water I told you while explaining Very good. More than 130 students are absolutely correct about it. The answer is water is reabsorbed because large intestine is the place for reabsorption. ठीक है? And on the leaderboard we have got concave ray diagrams Vaibhav, Ayushman, Maria, Maulik, Ishan, Happy, Mitrava, Ishan and Priyesha Dubey. Ray diagrams you are the fastest again. I think we are not going to have a live quiz with the student this time because I told you guys please put your full name in the Menti. Mantosh, my email ID is pritesh.joshi@vedantu.com. ठीक है? Last question number 7 will take us to heaven. Here is the question. So, bile is produced by also this was also told in the class small intestine, gallbladder, pancreas or liver. Who produces bile? Come on, quick, Feviquick. Come on. Chalo, very good. 150. Oh, guys, this is wrong. The answer to the question is liver. It's liver, it's not pancreas. It's liver. ठीक है? So ये गलत है. तो इस पे मत जाइए, है ना? तो देखते हैं क्या होता है. So the answer is liver and Maria. Congratulations, Maria. You won the Menti. So Maria, finally you get a chance to do the quiz with me. So Maria, I know you have sent me the mail. So we'll connect over mail, right? So that is right. And let us move on to the slides back, right? So guys, that was an amazing show that we did, and Maria saved us because Maria already won the Menti last time also on in the V Pathshala. Guys, tomorrow I'm meeting you sharp at 9 in the morning assembly. So make sure you come well dressed for the morning assembly tomorrow sharp at 9 a.m. in the morning, right? And guys, you can take, it's a bumper discount offer that is going on. 50% off you're getting. So take the PRO and you can follow us on Telegram, follow me on Instagram and subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. We almost had a 1 hour class, 45 minutes. So subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free of cost, right? Subscribe to the channel and spread the word. Do give this video a big fat thumbs up and let me know if you have any doubts from nutrition in plants and animals. I'll be meeting you tomorrow at 9 a.m. in the morning, live, 9 a.m. live in the morning with a session of V Pathshala. Till then, take care of yourself. See you soon. Bye. God bless.